code of our project, we used 4 pin of Arduino for green LED, 5th pin for red LED, and defined variable name as LED1 and LED2. We use second and third pin for our ultrasonic sensor, echo pin and trigger pin. Use 6 pin to attach buzzer, and we defined a variable name as n threshold to set a threshold. If you want to decrease or increase the distance when the buzzer will ring, you will just change here and it will change further in the code. Alright, we also defined 2 more variables name as end duration and end distance. So here we defined the pin mode. We use LED1 as an output, LED2 as an output. As you know, our sensor have 2 pins, one as trigger pin and 2 is echo pin. We use trigger pin as an output because it will send a signal, and echo pin as an input because it will receive the signal. Buzzer is used as an output. Now this is our main code. First of all, we turn on trigger pin for 10 microseconds. Signal is sent, and then we turn off this pin. Now we on the echo pin. When we on the echo pin, it will ready to receive the signal. Trigger pin will send a signal and echo pin will receive this signal. Save it into end duration variable. So end duration will save that how much time it took to receive back this wave. As you know that it sends the signal with the speed of sound, which is 3.4 meter per second to 0.034 centimeter per microsecond. So here when we multiply it to end duration, it will change it to distance. Then we divided it to 2 because it go and come back, so it traveled 2 times. That's why we divided it to 2. Here we used conditional statement. If distance less than threshold, then buzzer will ring. Use tune function to ring the buzzer. It is a built-in function of Arduino, and it also write LED2 as a high. As you know, we define variable red LED as a LED2, so it will turn on the red LED. There is a delay, then it will turn off the buzzer and turn off the LED as well. If there is distance more than our threshold, then green LED will high, and after 0.4 seconds it will turn low. So if distance is more than 30 centimeter, then buzzer will ring and red LED will turn on, and if it is not, then green LED will turn on.